Welcome to my channel. I'm Celeste, the boss lady at Boarded Up. Today was such an amazing day, and if you can look right behind me, I have some food that I'm still putting away, and I'm holding here my certificate and a red ribbon from Boarded Up, which is my company, the ribbon cutting ceremony. I joined the Middletown Area Chamber of Commerce just a couple months ago, and I have gotten so much response, so much feedback and support and marketing from the Chamber of Commerce. So one of my business tips is, if you are a small business and you're looking to grow, check out your local Chamber of Commerce. You'll see how much growth and how much marketing and networking that you can do with other local business people. So today I actually had a few people that came and joined my gathering here at the house from the Chamber of Commerce. I am forever humbled and so happy that I have received that much support from the Chamber. I am also humbled and grateful and blessed with all of my viewers and my friends and local neighbors that have purchased from me, which support my small business. I continue to look forward to growing my business and to continue to bring you great craftsmanship. So you don't have to be a brick and mortar company to be able to use these types of marketing and celebrations. It doesn't matter if you are a big company or a small company. Always remember to celebrate yourself, celebrate you, celebrate your successes. So I'm not going to hold you on. Let me just share a couple minutes of what my ceremony looked like. If you're interested in any future videos as well, and you're interested in any type of do-it-yourself tutorials, I do have more that are coming. I have been a little busy, so I haven't posted as much. But if you want to stay notified, make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and that bell. When you hit that bell, you'll get the notification that I uploaded a new video. So again, thank you all for your support. I truly appreciate it. It's my humble beginnings, and I continue to look forward to growing some more. So have a great day, and let's check out the video.
Switch with Josh. There we go. Which figure, darling? You. Oh!
Cut your hands.
Okay, so we're going to count to 3. We're going to say board it up. She's going to cut. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Board it up! Woo! Hey! Oh, thank you. The Chamber of Commerce, welcome to Middletown. We are so glad you are here. We wish you all the best.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
We're going to do one more little piece of ribbon so you can put this in with the flag. So will we chop it off? Because we're going to cut a little piece. Yeah, and then you have that, you put it inside the flag.
They work.
Thank you.
They